There's so many options at the garden center when it comes to potting mix. There's additives and fertilizers and water-soluble crystals that help to hold on to moisture. Do you really need to buy all the state-of-the-art potting mix, or can we pick something that's maybe middle of the road or a little bit more cost-effective? That's the better question. When we're selecting potting mixes, especially for containers, we want to avoid using regular garden soil. Garden soil is the one thing we do not recommend. It doesn't drain well, it compacts, so that's why we really don't recommend garden soil. When it comes to potting mix, you pretty much get what you pay for. If you add the fertilizers and the water crystals and things like that, you're gonna pay more for that. But do we absolutely need to have those additives? And the answer is no. Select a potting mix that's in the middle of the road. It's gonna have perlite, that's gonna be the white stuff. Some of them are gonna have shredded bark or peat moss to help hold moisture and allow it to drain. Some of them are gonna have vermiculite, which is that shiny stuff. So shoot for middle of the road, more cost effective, avoid all the bells and whistles, and make sure that your potting mix really drains well.